friends. So today we're going to take you to Italy. Where are we going? Italy. We are making something sweet. We are going to show you how to make tiramisu. Now, one interesting fact about tiramisu, did you know the meaning of tiramisu? It means pick me up. So if you lift the tiramisu and eat it and enjoy it, that's what the literal meaning of tiramisu is. So I will just get you through the ingredients that we need to make it. So for ingredients, we will be needing any type of instant coffee, some caster sugar, some cocoa powder for dusting at the end, 3 egg yolks, some fresh cream, vanilla essence, mascarpone, and some Saviordi biscuits. So these are egg white based biscuits which soak really easily into your coffee mix. This tiramisu, guys, that we are making is a non-alcoholic version. Originally, in the coffee mix, we also put any coffee-based liquor like Kahlua or Baileys. So if you have anything available and if you're not going to serve it to your kids or elderly, then please do so. Here, Kia would be sharing it with us, so I'm just taking it off completely. Tiramisu. Tiramisu? Yeah. We are going to cook it in 3 stages. So step 1 is mixing your mascarpone and fresh cream. Do you want to squeeze like this? Good job. Well done. Yeah, sure. Mascarpone, I'm going to add some cream, fresh cream. Now to that, I have added some vanilla essence. Now give it a... I've taken 1 cup of sugar, so I'm going to add half a cup now and half a cup with my egg yolks. Now our step 1 mascarpone and cream mix is ready. Now step 2 is making a sabayon of your egg. Now this is very important if you have to make a tiramisu. Sabayon is nothing but mixing your egg yolks and sugar on a double boiler. What that helps is it gives a ribbon stage to your egg and makes it silky smooth, and eventually it gets mixed with your tiramisu mascarpone. So it just makes it very light and creamy. So here I have taken 3 egg yolks. Okay, Kia. And then starting off with a little bit sugar, because you don't want to overheat your eggs and curdle them. That will only give you sweet scrambled eggs, which nobody likes. The heat in your bowl by transferring it on and off the heat. This will prevent your eggs from curdling. Now I'll put it back on the heat and I'll add remaining sugar. We have to cook the eggs until it becomes silky smooth. At this point, I'll put another dash of vanilla essence into my egg mix and put it back on the heat. The eggs are starting to get more pale, and from my end I can see it's getting a bit more glossy. I don't know if you can see it. There you are. So we have to keep mixing until the sugar is completely dissolved and the eggs are nice and silky smooth. Sabayon in French. Now our eggs have got that ribbon consistency, so that's where you stop. Now guys, our mascarpone and our sabayon of eggs is ready. So because your eggs are on a warmer side, we want them to get used to the cold texture of your cream. So very important, you will add just 1 spoonful of your mascarpone first and then incorporate that. Now once your eggs are slightly cool down, you will add some more cream to it. Now I will be adding my sabayon mix into the mascarpone. This technique helps in preventing giving the eggs a bit of shock. and gets them used to this cold texture. There you have it, guys. Our cream mix is nicely ready. Now we will set this aside, and now we will move to the step 3. Now step 3, I will be putting my instant coffee. I have taken about 4 to 5 tablespoons of instant coffee. To that I would be adding some hot water. Now if you are making a normal tiramisu, this is the time when you add your alcohol, either Baileys or Kahlua. But if you are not using it, then just completely avoid, like I'm doing now. Now guys, our first 3 steps are done. Now the final stage of layering your tiramisu. So I have taken 1 packet of Saviordi biscuits. It comes with 2 packets of this size, which should be plenty for making this size of tiramisu. We would be quickly dipping our Saviordi biscuits and then layering them next to each other. Be very quick in this process because it just melts into that hot coffee. Now our first layer of the sponge fingers or the Saviordi biscuits dipped in your espresso is ready. To that, on top I will be adding our mascarpone and sabayon mix. Okay, now our first layer of cream is done. Now I will repeat the same process of dipping the sponge fingers into coffee and layering them nicely. You need to be very, very quick in this process. So now guys, our tiramisu is just coming together really well. Okay guys, so our 2 layers of sponge fingers and the cream respectively are done. Now one very important tip, once you are done your layering, just give a good tap few times. So just in case there is any air pockets, it will try and settle. So you can see slowly all those air pockets are just coming on the surface, and then you can just layer it again. Now one last garnish that we need to do is cocoa powder. So I'm taking some cocoa powder into a sifter and just sifting it. So there you have it guys, your homemade tiramisu that you can enjoy with your family and friends. Bon appétit!